Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add notes to your Microsoft Outlook calendar to-do tasks. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, your emails will start loading on the screen. This ensures you have access to all of Outlook's features, including the task management system we'll be using today. Now, once your emails have loaded, navigate to the bottom left part of your screen. Here you'll see 4 different menus represented by distinct icons. Look for the clipboard with a checkmark icon and click on it. This is your task menu, and it's where you'll manage all your to-do items and add detailed notes to keep everything organized. After clicking the task icon, your task menu will open up. Before we can add notes to a task, we need to create one first. Look at the top part of your screen and locate the New Task button. Click on it and a new task window will appear. This window is where you'll customize and add all the important details for your to-do item. In the task window, you'll see a field for the task's subject. Go ahead and fill that in with a brief description of what you need to accomplish. Next, you'll notice a date picker. Click on it and choose the date you want to set for this task. This helps you stay on track and ensures you don't miss any deadlines. Now, here's the important part. To add notes to your task, look at the bottom part of this window. You'll see a large blank canvas. This is where you can type in notes or add any additional details regarding your task. It's essentially a text area that lets you include context, reminders, or any other information that will help you or your team understand what needs to be done. Feel free to be as detailed as you need here, as this space is designed to hold all the relevant information for your task. Once you've entered your notes and configured all the task details, you have 2 options. If you want to assign this task to someone else, click on the Assign Task button at the top of the window. This will allow you to add the person responsible for completing the task. Alternatively, if this is a personal task reminder just for you, click on the Save and Close button. This will save your task along with all the notes you've added, and it will appear in your task list ready for you to track. And that's it. You've successfully created a to-do task in Microsoft Outlook with detailed notes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.